Here's how to lace Air Jordan 1 mids. Start by taking your lace and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side, and we're going to go down into those from above. So feed that one through, pull it through a little bit, swap it to the other one, feed that one through, and before you pull all of that excess lace through, take your two lace ends and hold them together like this. Take hold of your sneakers and just pull that through, and what this will mean is they'll come out of equal length. And then you can just fix any little twists before we get started. Great, then you want to keep a hold of this lace on this side, and we're going to take it over the sneaker tongue and down into the next available eyelet on this side from above, and just pull that through like this, making sure there's no twists. And just take your time with this. You want it to come out really fresh. Then we're going to swap to the other one and do the exact same thing. Bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the next empty eyelet from above. Just pull that through until it looks like this. And then we're going to repeat that pattern. Keep a hold of this one first. Take it over the sneaker tongue, down into the next empty eyelet. And just pull that all the way through, making sure you've got no twists. Then swap over to the other one and do the same. Bring it over, just like that. And then we're going to keep going with that pattern. Keep a hold of this one first, bring it over, down to the next empty eyelet. Looking good. Swap to the other one. Down into the next empty eyelet on this side. Now you can play this video on a half speed or pause as much as you need, just go at your own pace. Let's continue on with that pattern. So keep a hold of this lace, bring it over, down into the next empty eyelet, swap it over, bring this one down to the next empty eyelet, keep a hold of it, bring it over, swap back to the other one, bring it over. Just like we've been doing, keep a hold of this one. And now we're starting to reach the top eyelets. So let's keep going with this pattern. And bring that one over into there. Now when you have one eyelet left, we're going to do something a little bit different for the loose lacing style. Keep a hold of this lace, bring it through that final eyelet from underneath this time. So not down into it from above, but just bring it from under there and bring it through about this much. Don't worry about this excess lace, we'll sort that in a second. Swap to your other lace, do the same, bring it through the final eyelet from underneath and pull it through about that much. Then take hold of these excess laces and just tuck them behind the sneaker tongue out of the way. And they won't bother your foot, they'll just sit on top of your foot when you slide it in and out of your sneakers. And it shouldn't affect it at all. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of loose laced Air Jordan 1 mids. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to help inspire you guys. Thanks!